Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webflow for interactive web apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Webflow for interactive web apps, begin by visiting the Webflow website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. If you already have an account, click on Log in and enter your credentials. Otherwise, fill in the required details to create a new account. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. Choose from the available templates or select a blank canvas. Give your project a name that reflects its purpose. Once you've made your selection, click on Create Project to proceed. The Webflow Designer interface will now open. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the canvas area and the panel on the right. To add elements, navigate to the Add panel on the left. Drag and drop elements onto your canvas to craft your web app's layout. Customize each element using the Style panel on the right. Adjust properties like padding, margin, and position to achieve your desired look. For interactive features, explore the Interactions panel. Create animations and transitions that enhance user experience. To link your pages, use the link settings found in the Settings panel. Ensure that all your elements are responsive by checking their settings for different device views. To test your app, click on the Preview button at the top. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your project live. Choose a Webflow domain or connect your own custom domain. Adjust SEO settings as needed in the Site Settings panel. Review all configurations before finalizing your project. After publishing, promote your web app through your desired channels. Continuously monitor its performance and make updates accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.